Why do Python developers write an underscore instead of a variable name? Look at this code. For underscore in range. Wait, where's the variable name? Why didn't the developer write I, or index, or count? Why just an underscore? Is that even a real variable? Let's find out. The underscore is actually a perfectly valid variable name, but Python developers use it in a special way. It tells other programmers, yes, there is a value here, but I don't need it. For example, if you're looping 5 times, but you never use the loop variable, giving it a name would only make the code more confusing. So instead, developers write a single underscore. It's a simple signal that says, this value is intentionally being ignored. The code still works exactly the same, but it's much easier for other people to read. And that's why you'll see underscores everywhere in Python projects. Now I want to know, before this video, did you know that an underscore is actually a real variable name? Write yes or no in the comments.